If you have not used FlipGrid yet, I encourage you to sign up and think of ways that you could incorporate it into your classroom. It is completely free for teachers and provides students with an opportunity to interact and engage with your course and with your lessons. So the first thing you're going to want to do to get started is head on over to flipgrid.com and click on Educator Sign Up if you do not have an account already. When you click on Educator Sign Up, you're going to want to go ahead and sign up with Google. You will authorize your Google account just like you do with any other single sign-on through Google. This will bring you to the setup process. Make sure your first and last name are correct. Select your country/region, as well as the grades you teach, your birthday, which is way down here, and then simply hit Let's Go. From here, you will be asked a few more questions depending on how you want to set up your account. The first option you have is to create a topic. Your topic is essentially that assignment you want the students to do. So for example, the ASB students are doing welcome messages for the freshmen. So I'm just going to go ahead and put welcome messages. Here for the prompt is where I will include a detailed description of what they need to do and what they need to say. You can control how long the students have to record their piece, 15 seconds, 30 seconds, all the way up to 10 minutes. This time limit will cut students off after that set time. So if you want students to only speak for up to 2 minutes, after 2 minutes, they won't be able to talk anymore. Closed captions are an option if you want to work with that. Video moderation is a great tool to toggle on as well, depending on where you're at and where you feel your students are at. When you toggle video moderation on, this means nobody will see the videos until you approve each of the videos. So this is a good way to ensure that everything going up on your grid is appropriate and acceptable and proper. You just go through and select which ones it is that you would like to see and approve should you wish to do so. You have an option to include other media to engage your students. If you want to record a video, you can do that. This will pull up your webcam and will give you the option to record for the same amount of time that you have set. Once you record, you will be able to add in effects, including filters, frames, emoji, text, draw. Have a whiteboard that you can work with if you want to do that, with grids, graphs, notebook line pages, or just fun backgrounds. You can play around with the effects either during your recording or you can wait until after. Those options are available to you as well. Once you have selected whether or not you want to record a video or upload a video or add a YouTube link or an image or anything else in there, you're then going to go ahead and check here for private. This means that only students and those within the district will be able to add to your grid. This is definitely encouraged. That way students will not be able to share out the link and have anybody post whatever they want. Be sure to add in our student email extension here because the student emails are different than staff emails. Simply type in that extension at student.mcusd.org and hit enter. If you want to set a password for a guest, you can do that, and you have that option as well. You can save these changes to make them default if you want. That is definitely encouraged. Makes it easier each time you wish to do a new grid. Once you have that set up, you simply hit create topic. This will give you the code that you will provide students so that they can access your FlipGrid. You will have the option to generate a QR code, to copy an embedded code, or share it out to Google Classroom, Remind, or Microsoft Teams. More on embedded codes later. Once you have your link, simply hit All Set, and you will now see the main page for this specific topic. What you can do is click on Share to get that information again so you can provide it to students. You can add a topic focus, which is where you have a chance to record video, upload video, add video. If you did not have a chance to do that before you posted, updating topic will bring you back to this page. You will be able to record a response if you wish. That will then appear at the start of the discussion. You have a chance to hide the topic, add this topic to a specific group, create a duplicate of it, export all of the data so you have it. If you wish to see who did what or for how long, those options are there. With this, all you have to do is simply share that link to your FlipGrid with the students. And once you do that, they will have the ability to come in and post their response to that FlipGrid. So coming here, pretending to be a student, I will go to the link provided by Ms. Hayes, and I will join with Google to then authorize and sign in. You will now see that I have the option to record a response, which when doing so will pop up the video once again. I have the option to work with the video as well as add effects, and you will see here that I only have a 2-minute time limit. If I exceed 2 minutes, it will stop the video and cut me off. This section is where students will see the videos that have been posted, and if you are moderating the discussion, students will only see the videos that you have approved so far. So this is how the students can record a response. This would be excellent if you want the students to practice any sort of spoken or oral skills, foreign languages, as well as poetry, readings, presentations, etc. Once you have that, you have a few options now. Discussion clicking will bring you to your topics. If you wish to create a group, you can do so. Think of your group as a class. So if we wanted to create a group, we could name that group English 9, period 2. There will then be a join code for students to use in order to access it. You can have them set up by adding them on student email or through a username. It's up to you. I strongly suggest email because it's easier to see who is who. Be sure to add in that student extension one more time so that they have access to your FlipGrid. Simply hit next. Choose a topic if you wish. So if you have a single assignment that you want multiple classes to do, here's where you will have the option to select that topic. Or you can simply skip for now. You now have a code for that group. You can go to that group. You have a chance to edit this image. You can start topics down here. You can add students and see who is in this class, if that's how you want to think about it. By clicking simply on discussion up here at the top, it takes you back to your main landing page. You will see here now that I have a new group, English 9, period 2. I can go here to English 9. I can click on add a topic. And this topic is going to be your welcome video and intro. And this is where I, as a teacher, tell you what to do. Set how long I want you to be able to do it for. Provide you with other information if necessary. And then create the topic. Here's my code that I can copy. Hit all set. And you will now see here with English 9 that in English 9, I have one new topic. If I didn't have a chance to copy that code, I can do so here by simply hitting that copy button. And I now have it to post onto my account. Once again, you can record your own response, hide the topic, export the data, duplicate if necessary. The other feature is the addition of a co-pilot. This is if you want another educator to be able to edit the group, create topics, review the videos, or provide feedback. Excellent option for team teaching, or if you have a student teacher or a TA or other individual that will be observing or assisting in your class, adding them as a co-pilot will allow them to create topics, review what students have posted, and essentially manage that group much like you can. So those are the options on how you can get started with FlipGrid. And there's another video that will explain how you can use FlipGrid in Canvas without ever having to leave Canvas.